Hello, this is Miss Rachel with the Otago-Prattville Public Library, and today we are doing our Thursday craft for toddler time. We're doing a Clifford Craft. So you're going to need a glue stick, your red paper from the kit, scissors, a black marker, and your red paper plate. And we're going to start by tracing our hands and our feet on the red paper so that we can make Clifford's paws and ears. So instead of taking my shoes off in the library, which is a no-no, I'm going to go ahead and trace this foot template and use this, and the feet are going to be Clifford's ears. So I'm going to trace this 2 times for Clifford's 2 ears, and then I will come back around and do my hands. Like I said, I'm going to make 2 of each of these, 2 feet and 2 hands. And I'm taking my time tracing so I can get the outline just right, but you can go a little bit quicker if you need to. And if you're tracing your own feet, do be careful that you don't poke yourself with your pen or marker or make a mess. Although you can always wash up afterwards. And because I am a grown-up with big hands and feet, I'm going to use 2 red pieces of paper, but my friends for the toddler time story time should be able to use just the 1 red piece of paper to trace both hands and both feet. Tracing your hands and feet in real life is a very fun way to get the shapes that you need for this craft. And it's good for your drawing skills. So I'm going to get my other sheet of paper and make my other hand, get that traced out. And I went ahead and drew a little semicircle at the bottom so that the hand is completely closed, a closed line all the way around. And then we're going to cut these out. Now, cutting out the hands and feet is fun too because of all the bumps and wiggles that are in these designs. It's very good for your scissor skills and learning to hold and use your scissors correctly. Pivot the paper so that you can get all the little angles. And you're also able to ask a grown-up for help if you need help with the cutting out part at this point. So I'm just taking my time, making sure I get all the little nooks and crannies in between the fingers. I'll go a little bit quicker with the feet because I don't need quite so much detail. I don't have to be so persnickety about the toes. But it is fun going in and out of the bumps and curves, like I said, and working with your scissors in this way. It's a great way to strengthen your hands as well and work on those motor skills. So I'm going to set aside my extra paper for something else and start cutting out the rest of my templates. Okay, now that I've got my hands and feet cut out, I'm going to take out my glue stick and I'm going to put a swipe of glue down the middle of each foot. So I started trying to put it kind of on the side, on the edge, and I realized that that didn't give enough surface area for the glue to really stick to the plate well. So I did another strip right in the middle and go ahead and press that on. Do the same thing with the other foot, big stripe of glue right in the middle, press that on to the other side of the paper plate, and we've got Clifford's ears now. His face is looking good. And then towards the bottom of the palm of the hands, you'll do another stripe sort of towards the middle, and you can stick that to the back of the paper plate. Once we've got that all situated, we can fold up the fingers of the hands so that it looks like Clifford's paws are curling up and able to hold or present something to you. And we need our final element of the kit for this. We need to grab our orange piece of paper because Clifford is going to gift us a little pumpkin. So now all that's left to do is the decorating. We're going to draw Clifford's eyes. I like to give him big expressive eyeballs and a little triangle nose and a puppy mouth. There we go. And then we can create the lines on our pumpkin so you can tell what it is. And I just like to do 3 or 4 or 5 curvy lines down the top of the pumpkin. And I'm going to add Clifford's tongue sticking out too because he loves pumpkin pie. So this is our Toddler Time craft. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we hope to see you at another event again soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.